COVID infection rates are, at least for the time, declining, you might decide, you know what, maybe it's time I should get out there and try to get back to my old life. Here are some tips that can make that a little bit easier and safer for you. Number one, make sure that you stay safe. Right now is still a good idea for you to keep a mask on, especially if you're going to be going anywhere where there are large concentrations of people. Also, if you need the COVID vaccination or the COVID booster, now's the time to do it. There are many places in our community where you can do this, and in most cases, it's going to be free of cost to you. 2, start small. Now may not be the time for you to get into some large gatherings. Instead, why don't you go for quality over quantity? You know that friend that you haven't seen for a while? Maybe now's the time to ask them out for coffee. However, before you take that first sip, make sure that you take your mask off. Point 3, then you can work your way up to larger gatherings. As the number of cases decline and the number of vaccinations increase, it might be safer for you to go to those bigger things that you used to like. Maybe it's church, maybe it's a movie, it could even be a monster truck rally. Either way, take caution when you go there. Point 4, take it easy. Listen, you've got to understand it's not going to be this way forever. Eventually, things are going to get back to either normal or something like normal. Just keep the faith, it's going to get better.